you should be cautious of advice that you receive from somebody who doesn't have skin in the game. With that in mind, one of the best ways to create those asymmetric returns, like we talked about, is to bring somebody on your team who has a strong track record. Ultimately, what you want to do is you want to find someone who's done the thing that you're trying to do. You want to align incentives, and then you want to bring them on your team so that you can deliver the same value that they've done previously. Step number one is you conduct active listening with a mentor that you want to build relationships with. So you don't want to ask them if you can pick their brain.
I've heard that so many times I can't even tell you.
It drives me nuts. The other thing that's common that drives me nuts is at the end of a conversation when someone says, how can I add value to you? You never want to say that to a mentor because, of course, there are a million ways that you can add value to them, but you don't want them to have to put on their HR hat. Now you've given them a job to do. Now they have to learn about you and see where you fit into what they're trying to do. So step number one is you conduct active listening. So you say things like, what are your goals? What are your biggest challenges? What are you working towards? And so my partners and I, we applied that with other experts in the space. And we effectively said, what are you trying to do? What are you going for? What are your challenges? Conducting active listening to deeply understand them and their pain points. And then through us understanding ourselves, went out and delivered value without them even asking. A lot of our mentors that were interested in scaling their portfolios, what they were looking for was deal flow. My partners and I said, okay, cool. So we went out and we looked for deals and we brought them to the mentors.